Hey YouTube, it's Michael Lambert here. I'm back once again with another reaction video. Once again, I'm reacting to Jeffrey Strojan in this video. My snack taste test review on the KitKat Duos Mocha and Chocolate. Jeffrey asked me to react to this video, and I'm going to react to it right now. And I know he uploaded this months ago, and I'm just now getting around to reacting to it. I've just been busy. I'm sorry about that, everybody, and I'm sorry, Jeffrey. I'm sorry for not getting around to reacting to this until just now. I'm sorry about that, Jeffrey, and I'm sorry, everybody. And I'm sorry to everybody else, too. And if any notifications pop up during the video, I apologize, and I will take care of them. Now let's get to this video.
Today I'm going to be doing another taste test review. So yeah, this time it's going to be something I got something really special to do. So before I get started on that, on this snack taste test review, I want to give a disclaimer before I even start. If you do not like the content I make, the reaction feels, or any of the other stuff I do on my channel, if you don't like them, then don't watch and go somewhere else. Because the only thing you can be doing is giving me a view, and that's the damn truth, everyone. That's the damn truth, and nothing but the truth. So yeah, so without further ado, let's get to it right now. So today, everyone, I got something really, really awesome to try for a video. That's right, everyone. By the info, you probably won't read it because it's backwards. And I'm going to read it to you. It's KitKat. It's a KitKat Duos. But this flavor is called Mocha and Chocolate. Which is really, I think it's supposed to be really good. I think that's what I'm doing for doing a video on this. I'm doing a video on it. So yeah. And sorry I'm getting itchy there. So let me get this.
Sorry, I had an itch right there. Sorry, everyone.
Wrapper. I'm going to apologize. I'm trying to get a piece off. So yeah. And normally if I don't do much KitKat, but I think I'm starting getting it. Just getting into it now. More likely, yeah. And I still I'll probably get to find that blueberry muffin one, which I probably will be able to find and do a taste test on that as well. But today, right now, I'm just doing the taste test on the Duos Mocha and Chocolate. So yeah, so without further ado, let's get to it right now. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Like I said, it tastes like chocolate and mocha. It's really good. It really does taste good. Especially with time. But yeah. Especially this kind of KitKat one, especially when it's also has mocha, meaning you can possibly get anything in it. It's maybe like coffee or something, I don't even know. It would be probably good for breakfast or something, for, like a substitute for coffee or anything. I don't even know, because who knows? So I'll get one last bite of this, and I'll do my honest review on it. Now I got chalk on my finger. I do apologize for that. And plus on my thumb. That's really, it is good. It is really good. To be honest though. So yeah, and when I give my rating on this, I give it a 10. A rating of 10. Like, it's really awesome. It's really good and tasty. Tastes like the taste of chocolate. And obviously doing back is KitKat is known to have chocolate. Has a bit of mocha. Hoping I don't get be so wired or something, Just sometimes mocha, I think mocha has a caffeine in it. I just don't even know because I can't even remember. So yeah, I just want to do a new taste test be on this. So yeah, and I hope you guys like this taste test video, and I hope snack taste test video, and I hope you guys like it. And I hope you guys do like it. If you don't, then I don't care. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notification bells on every time I upload. You can share my videos, your reaction videos, and all the videos I do on my channel to your friends and family also. If you want to, it's your choice. Because I ain't making you. So yeah. I'm on the road to 2K subscribers and maybe 3K subscribers. But right now, I'm on the road to 2K subscribers now. 2K right now. So yeah. And that's the end of this taste test video. And I'll pause you up.
Excuse me. Sorry, everyone. I burped. Sorry, everyone.
I'm possibly doing some more reaction videos. So yeah, and I'll see you all the next time. Who knows? Possibly do some more when I get off from work. Get some high at work in the morning. So yeah, and I'll see you on the next time for more banger stuff to come. So yeah, I'll see you on the next time. Jeffrey Jordan signing out, and peace out, Storylanders, and happy Halloween month, and peace out, everyone.
Awesome video. I give it a thumbs up. And let me take care of this notification. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that, everybody. And I hope you all enjoyed this reaction video. If you're all new to my main channel or my second channel or Jeffrey Strojan's channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Give both our videos a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell to let you guys know when we both post. And share both of our videos with your friends and family members too, please, everybody. And on my main channel, we are now on the road to 8,000 subscribers. I already hit and I got big news. I hit 7,000 subscribers last night on my main channel. So I have a new goal. We are now on the road. On my main channel, we are on the road to 8,000 subscribers. And on my second channel, we are on the road to 2,000 subscribers. And please don't forget to take a look at my other videos on my channel's playlists. On both my main channel and my second channel, and give them a thumbs up, and share them with your friends and family members too, please, everybody. I would really definitely appreciate that. And please help me accomplish my new goal to get 7,000 sorry about that, everybody. Force of habit. Sorry, everyone. Please help me accomplish my new goal to get 8,000 subscribers or more on my main channel and 2,000 subscribers or more on my second channel too, please, everybody. I would really appreciate that too. And please help me bring my views and watch hours up on my main channel by taking a look at my other videos that are on the 2 playlists that are on my main channel, and give them a thumbs up and share them with your friends and family members too, please, everybody. I would really appreciate it. And please help me bring my subscriber count up on my main channel as well also, please, everybody. I would really appreciate that too. Please, everybody, please. Please, everybody, please. And I'm off now, so until next time, see ya.